no gold is not in her. She's a diamond under.
Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to draw the outlines of face before you're gonna shade it, and I will show you by drawing the Carryminati, one of the top YouTuber of India. I made this by putting my mobile right beside my drawing in order to tell the basics for the beginner, that how you start by doing this, which really helps in starting. Further, you can take it off or simply just change the size of the photo to analyze and learn the actual meaning of drawing. So I'm gonna wrap this up. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe this channel for more interesting drawing videos for beginners in future. Continue to watch till the end, and I hope it will help you so much.
Oh, 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 I can't live without you. Oh, 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 I can't breathe without your love. Your love. Without you.